Laibon, the time 15 minutes before the event. Galabochan need. Nala tabaking, little foble la bacala, Joanaka Masepa papa. Yerre, yes, Marovias, Ganala Bafanavaga, boy. Hey, let the best manager in the world.
Technical analyst.
What are you? Joe, my hair is fucked up, Joe.
Oh, well, thank you.
Thank you. Results come on,
Thank you. Receive thanks. Kumangela big profit.
Yeah, the screenshot. I read the screenshot.
I got big profit. Yeah.
I got Biamutombo. Hasua sahabi makwala dubula. Ay! Dubula. Dubula. Asiwasabi makwala dubula. Ay. Asiwasabi makwala. Asiwasabi makwala. Dubula. Ay. Dubula. Yeah, guys, ish. No. I'm not sending meeting, ne? Dubula. Asiwasabi makwala. Dubula.
Thank you, I'm out.
Yeah, FBK profits.
Students.
Yeah. Balaich papa, balaich. Dubula. Hey. Asiwasabi makwala. Dubula. Another liquidity provider yung kwatela na. Dubula. Yeah. Asiwasabi makwala. Dubula. Papa. Nagaspila. I'm South Africa. South Africa is a small country for me. Which country can I go to? My brothers from Nigeria, Mozambique, Namibia. I want African countries. KFBK student. He made $518. Fuck. $518. Dubula. Apa pa na ka masip. Yer. Alaga ba bicha ka muka bo mamang John van Riebeck bo mamang anak papao. Mo exit.
I closed with big profit. Mara babule lang sell. Mara at least. Yeah. Ba papa ka sell mara yeah.
At least. Yeah. Oh, but people are making money. That's what matters, dog. That's what matters. People live on a SMS or nashi. Ikam horber cow. FBK market direction. And then email wait, let me look for the email. Can I kick it on my personal email, ne boy? Personal email. Where's my personal email?
We don't stop.
Get a profit, DJ. Number one. Yeah. Timan terlalu guy. Ish, a player. That's like 700 USD. Timanu terlalu 700 USD.
30 seconds.
And like these people are robbing us. They paid 570, now they're making more than 700 USD in just 15 minutes.
Wait.
Voice recording.
Listen to the VN.
Joe. I'm very dim, Joe. Ali the guru, Joe. Ali dim, Piafit. I like you, brah.
The man is happy. Yeah, reading Pierre the Guru. Yeah, so with the email system, I received the email around about the same time, stating that GBP is gonna be a buy at 13.59. Another profit. Where's the? Oh, it's a video. Wait, let us show you a video of our students. FBK student. This is a student, by the way. It's a video of an FBK student. Students who listen. Students who listen. Tarmon. He's about to enter. He received an SMS. He's South African, ne? He comes from SA, ne? Yeah, he received an SMS stating that it's a buy.
I don't take a small account.
Or small account, but yeah, but dog, I mean, malapalakan, we can't all be the same. So, but I'm sure he's happy. One small account, look. One small account. Hey, he's entering. Yeah, enter, papa. He's in. Dear profit, papa. Dear profit. Batlat, who's your mentor pinch? Small account. It's not Wongushish, Batlat, papa. Yeah.
Yeah, even the smallest accounts.
I'm not gonna say papa. Alenal for Balasan Rat, Hojimara, Gelgushish, Lal Jalas, man. Hey, I know, I can blame me, man. Yerre. I'm an abigrass and nagan nosh, but some FBK students, mo papa. FBK student. Yeah, ma'am. MSL Blair. 3,600 USD. 3,600 USD. That's like more than 50 grand, dog. FBK student. Not enough, papa. Na yolo khosha jona jwala. Modi di pala dinwa mate. Translate for internationals. Di pala dinwa mate. Type for internationals. Na papa na kama sip. Na kala bu just story. Darba ni udirle bugay. Hey, twa damfan. Twa damfan. Arnya go stressa bat. Another one. Yeah. Another one, 312 USD. 312 USD, it's like more than 4.5, close to 5,000. Who can give you 5,000? Who can give you 5,000?
Me.
Yeah? This guy is in Thomas Group, ne? Yeah? He's in Thomas Group.
Yeah.
Oh, already paid 850, ne?
Yeah.
Oh. Maro, we drill back. Upate 850 per power, but he made more than 4,000 in just a single trade. And we still have so many trades to come. Modino meti mo. Translate for internationals. Modino meti per power.
I could have held on long.
I could have held on long. It's a little early. Papa, relax. You made what you need. I'm gonna papa. No, you boy. Ona Malaysia. What's about Rukara on Al Chale Timsha? I want to tell you the results. It's not to get them.
Request a problem.
Get ever I said request because it did let WhatsApp.
Okay.
So otherwise, I will be leaving you guys. FBK market direction in the building. Whether you used 1 minute strategy, whether you used modifications, you fucking made money today. If you didn't make money, you are a loser. Really, I'm not going to hide it. Another video, ne? Well. I'm about FBK, we are making money. This guy made 15,000 USD. Another one, he made 15,000 USD. 15,000 USD.
Even the small ones.
Even the small ones. Even the small ones, 123 US dollars. Marakinya 15. 15,000 USD. That's more than 200,000, I think, ne? 15,000 USD is how much, boy?
Go check it.
15,000. Look at how much this guy made. FBK student. FBK student.
It's a lot more than that.
FBK student. This guy made this much. FBK student. Toma video la rap, papa. Toma video la rap. Toma video la rap. This guy made 225,000 in just a matter of minutes today. It's not about me. Never mind me because you don't like me. Ne? Now you don't like me, it's fine. I've accepted. This guy, 225,000. Now there is only one problem. He's not even gonna give me 5,000 from this amount of money. He's not even gonna give me 5,000. It's fine. It's part of life. So otherwise, I hope you are inspired, ladies and gentlemen. My fellow hustlers, never give up on your dream. Otherwise, see, se sole ke bophelo la nkushisha baloi le tlo khoka pele wa arabele. So otherwise, FBK market direction in the building, baby. La nkushisha. Yeah,
We here.
and right all la sana ke.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's closing tomorrow. Then I'll see you guys somewhere around April. Tata. Bye bye. Bona entry. Ma technical lanya. Yer. Anaga masipa papa. Yer. Amana manna ba yula 4 weeks ka mo ka ba take movement mo. Na mana ka fo letela mana ka pa. 1 minute in and out. Chur. Ta. Ka to mana masipa mo.
Then we're hitting for like
Okay, sharp. Arke sharp bring meeting, but yeah, cause I'm meeting. I made 40K, I made 200K. Congratulations, my people. Mara go pala something, go pala favor. If you made money, ne, go pala sometimes of a no man, coach my coach. I just wanna thank you, man. Send your account number. Boom, 50,000.
Number e-wallet.
Umpe 50,000. Just to say thank you, because now you see. Even what you're doing at work, you're not making this much money. You should thank me just to say thank you. Langushisha man. Lenna man ko for ya man ko for tikuisha man. Just to say thank you. But no, you're making the 200,000, 40,000, you just say thank you with words. I think I'm going to start a church so that you can pay tithe. Tata. Shabu Barak.